we celebrate, kung may bibigyan ka, the celebration of baptism, of the sacrament of baptism. And kung wala, it is the renewal of our baptismal vows. Communally, sama-sama, isang beses lamang sa isang taon, we do it. In the vigil and the whole day tomorrow ng Easter Sunday, yung dialogue na ating profession of faith. Tonight, meron po tayong ibinigay sa isang sanggol na bahagi ng ating celebration. That is why there is also the blessing of the water. And for the first time, that baby, yung bata na yun, ang siya unang tatanggap ng oil of chrism that was blessed yesterday in the congregation of the priests and the laity sa Chrism Mass. Oh no, not yesterday, yung Holy Thursday. Nasang tinanggap naman natin noong misa ng huling hapunan ng ating Panginoon. That is the first time na siya tatanggap ng Chrism Mass. So, sa ating pong pagdiriwang ngayong gabi, you know what you love? There is always hope. Merong pag-asa. When you love, when you trust in the love of God for us, lagi tayong merong liwanag. Merong liwanag. May pag-asa. We are an Easter people. Hindi tayo yung mga tao na namatay na forever. Hindi. Tayo yung mga tao ng muling pagkabuhay. Tandaan na natin yan. At dahil tayo ay mga tao ng muling pagkabuhay, tayo rin ay nagiging instrumento ng muling pagkabuhay ng ating kapwa. Here and now. Here and now. Kaya nga napakaganda ko sa awing ko. When I was still in the seminary, that's the first time that I heard it. At doon ko siya natutunan. Yung it is better to light a little candle. It is better to light just one little candle than to stumble in the dark. Better far that you light just one little candle. All you need is a tiny spark. If we all say a prayer that the world would be free, a wonderful world and a new day we see. And if everyone lived just one little candle, what a bright world things would be. Can we sing that together? Lagi ba yun? Huh? Can we sing that? Okay, let's sing that together. Sige. Hindi kayo makakanta kung nakaupo kayo. Okay? And that light is the light of Christ. Tandaan natin, ha? Kaya po ba? Kaya, pronto to eh. Kaya? Pronto. Yes. Ang kapela. Okay. 1, 2, 3. It is better to light just one little candle than to stumble in the dark. Better far that you light just one little candle. All you need is a tiny spark. If we all say a prayer that the world would be free of